May profits be upon you. We're going to take a look at NZD Swiss franc, NZD New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. This is an update to the video I put out a couple of days ago on the 18th. I left you here. And this is the update. All right. I was looking for price to pull back after an impulse. I was looking for more of a correction, but this correction seems to be a descending correction. All right. I'm still looking for that pullback. Now, this is what happened since I left you on Sunday. Look like price is held up at this supply zone. Now, what am I looking for? I told you I was looking here first. If I don't get that my setup here, I'll be looking here. I'm looking for 15-minute 15-minute confirmations. All right, excuse me. All right, so I'm looking for this. Hello. I'm looking for this on the 15-minute. They pull up, they pull back. A higher high, a low that breaks that pullback low, and then a return to impulse somewhere in this leg of structure, and then down. All right, that's what I'm looking for here. All right, so what does that mean? I'm looking for price to respect these highs. All right, I'm looking for a push down below this consolidation, right? A pullback and then down. All right, now this consolidation is ripe. You know, you can expect some manipulation to happen here. All right, market makers will generate orders, right? Maybe it'll swing low to come and get the stop losses, to sweep the stop losses low, then sweep the stop losses high up here. All right, just these. It may leave those and then drop. So be aware, be, vigilant. Be vigilant on it. All right. Now, if price breaks this high, all right, of course, this setup is invalid and you're going to go up here. But as soon as I see price break these lows, I see a impulse to the downside, I'm waiting up here. I'm waiting up here. Hold on, let me see if I can, yeah. I'm waiting up here for price to give me my setup. And if price doesn't give me that setup, I'll be looking up here. All right, for the second chance, jump in. The second chancer, okay? And that's it. Just going to keep it simple. Don't jump in too quick. The 15 minute, if I can get a change of character on the 15-minute, that'll be very helpful. I like to see something like this here, but I need it to go beyond these lows. Okay, it has to be definitive, like a sure enough impulse, like that. Doesn't have to be that long, but it has to be like that, something like that. I need to see a displacement, then a return, and then we can look for bearish price action after that. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. I will see you in the next video. Hey, make sure you smash the like button for me, okay? I appreciate that. Hit that like button for me, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification, the icon for the notification, so you can catch my updates. And do leave a comment. Why aren't you looking at NZD Swiss? Why aren't you looking at the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc more? I think this is a good one. I didn't get a lot of views on this, and I'm wondering why. I thought this was a pretty hot setup. We come down here, we're going to get a pullback. We're going to get a pullback. It may come here or it may come here, but we're going to get a pullback of some kind. because you see the exhaustion with this, with the bearish impulse. You know, got tired here. So I'm looking for a correction and then down. This would be a perfect setup if it comes up here. I'll see you in the next video, okay?